Hello and welcome to Natilik Live. I'm Craig Manyweather and I'm joined today by Marcus Eaton from Rapid7, and we're here to talk about how Rapid7 can help our clients navigate the current cybersecurity landscape and protect their businesses from threats. So welcome, Marcus.
Thanks for having me.
I know that after Ed was in recently, we had quite a few of our customers get in touch to ask us some details about the Rapid7 solution. So we thought we'd get you in today and get into that technical detail about the Rapid7 solution. So where would you say Rapid7 sits in a typical network, and how is it deployed?
Yeah, so from an IDR perspective, it's actually deployed very simply using a single collector. And the collector is basically a proxy for log data. It will be interrogating various different pieces of pre-existing network equipment, receiving logs or some kind of event data, and then zipping it, encrypting it, and sending it up to our cloud infrastructure. The other component we use for detection and response is actually an endpoint agent. Okay. And the endpoint agent is used to get a really close visibility onto the endpoint devices in question as well. So we can do things like process analysis, Windows event log monitoring, and get really hands-on with the endpoint themselves.
Okay, and as a solution, how do you think this compares with what else is available in the market, and why do you think the Rapid7 solution is the best?
So some of my more cynical customers, they tell me that basically what Rapid7 do is we hand out handguns and then we sell Kevlar vests. And it's a bit of a joke, but it's actually not too far from the truth. One of our core advantages as a vendor is that we produce the world's most widely used penetration testing software. It's used by the good guys and the bad guys. And of course, what that means for us is that we have a very good understanding of the techniques which attackers would use in order to break into a network. Okay. And therefore, IDR is basically a result of that. It's a mirror image of Metasploit designed specifically to detect those kind of more modern techniques which attackers are using.
Okay, and if our clients just wanted to deploy Rapid7, and in particular IDR, speaking honestly, how difficult is it to deploy this solution into a client's network?
It's really, really easy. I've done it in an hour before with some customers. If you have all of the prereqs done pre-ready for you, it's very simple to deploy. You just need a service account which has access to things like Active Directory. You need to have control over things like your firewall so that you can forward events. But as I say, an hour's work, sometimes it's that easy.
Okay, and how about the end users? What impact are they going to see any impact? Are they going to have any issues with when Rapid7 is deployed?
So in terms of the end users, as in the IT users, they're going to see nothing at all. There's a silent agent which is going to be running on their devices. It's got very low resource utilization, so they won't even know it's there. In terms of the users of the IT team, the security team, more specifically, they're going to be having a lot of impact in terms of what they can see based on their own infrastructure. So they're going to have very high fidelity, low noise alerting based on all of that information which is coming in.
Excellent. Well, Marcus, that's all we've got time for today, so thank you very much for coming in. If you would like to learn more about how Natilik and Rapid7 can protect your business from cybersecurity threats, please get in touch with your account manager or visit us at natilik.co.uk.